We are going Skardu.
We are going Skardu.
So we've just literally packed up, ready to leave our room. It is 12:08. Flight's in 2 hours.
So airport ride is about 45 minutes from here apparently. I thought it was less than that, but we should make it on time, hour before. Check in, straight to Skardu, hotel is booked, driver is arranged also. Boom.
See you in Skardu. We made it to the airport.
Oh yeah, we're checking in now. And looks like a bit of a queue on the domestic departures.
We made it. We are now going through the domestic terminal in Pakistan.
Islamabad airport.
And everything is just easy going. Like, we've literally got to the airport an hour before, and we've got 40 minutes now before our flight goes.
Yes.
Smooth process. You go through security when you enter, and then the lady at the check-in desk was really chilled. So we are just making our way to the boarding gate now. Hopefully it'll be a smooth ride. 1 hour and we'll be in Skardu. Really excited because it's going to be a whole different world, whole different side to Pakistan that I've never seen before.
It'll be good to get out of the city into the countryside with some fresh
And the
air.
airport's, like, I've got to say, for domestic terminal, maybe
Wow.
because it's Islamabad, it's really nice.
Wow.
Very good.
Yeah.
So guys, we'll see you
On the other side.
on the other side. Everyone just doing some last minute emails.
Productivity. It's all about being productive. If it takes 2 minutes, just do it now straight away. Remember that.
Right, so guys, we've just had our flight cancelled.
It was an hour late, and then all of a sudden I just saw a whole load of people leave the boarding area. And then I asked one of the ladies, and she said that the guy, and he said the flight's been cancelled.
Yeah.
Go and pick up your luggage and rebook your ticket. So let's see what happens now.
Yeah, so now we're just at the belt number 7 waiting for our luggage to come through, and then we need to go to level 2 and speak to the lady and see what goes on. But literally a whole day gone. But this is the thing when it comes to travel, and I think Skardu is known for its
Flight cancellation and bad weather, so yeah.
Yeah. So we finally made our way, making our way to the airline ticket counter.
Let's see what PIA say with rebooking our flights to Skardu.
Yeah.
I'm hoping we can get one maybe tomorrow, but then there's no guarantee of that going either, so it's a vicious circle. So a bit of change of plans. We have managed to change our flight to go on the 26th to Gilgit directly, not Skardu, because Skardu, the next flight available was the 6th of March, and we fly back to the UK on the 5th, so that's not going to work, is it? So hopefully it's a bit of hit and miss. We're going to have to go back to the hotel or go to a hotel, see what we can do the rest of today and tomorrow, and then fingers crossed we get to Gilgit. So let's see what happens. Flexible travelling.
Woo! We made it back to the hotel, people. Feeling decent, to be honest. Like, obviously a little bit gutted, but it wasn't meant to be, and I am not gonna, cry about that, because I'd rather be safe than sorry. So to soften the blow a little, we are going to Nando's, because Nando's fixes everything, doesn't it? Like, Nando's makes me happy from inside.
From inside.
This is gonna go on the YouTube.
This is what you call puri. It's not even oily, nothing.
Wow, that's delicious. How nice is that? So thin and crispy.
Flaky. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
We have had a bit of a detour because the Taxilla museum was closed to VIPs only.
Yeah.
So our driver took us to a very beautiful lake.
It's called Khanpur Boating Club.
Yes.
It's a lovely lake. You've got it's a bit of a theme park. You've got horses. You can get some boats. You can get some jet skis. Look how beautiful the clear this lake is. It reminds me of Kilauea Lake in Ecuador.
I was thinking exactly the same.
Really?
But without the altitude.
Without the altitude, yeah. Oh my god, that altitude nearly
That killed us off, yeah. hiking at altitudes. It's not fun.
Right, so we're literally now just heading to the shade because it's quite a warm day out.
Yes.
Hopefully sit down, have some grapes.
Just gonna fly the drone, see what's going on. Insert drone clips.
Now.
Here. So we are at Jandial temple here in Taxilla. It's literally in the midst of kind of a village if you look around, surrounded by fields. I don't really know the importance of it, but we're just going to go and read that board over there and then see. But strangely enough, it looks like it's one of the UNESCO heritage sites, but you would never expect it to be here.
Oh my god, it is. It
Yeah.
says it on the board.
Yeah. So let's see.
Oh my god. So it's an hour away from Islamabad. We are here by a Greek temple. Yes, you heard me right. Greek temple. And it was founded in the 2nd century BC.
Yeah.
2nd century BC.
So it was around the time when Alexander the Great and the Greeks were basically conquering Asia, and they conquered right down to the Indus River. So as they were passing through here, this temple was built, and it had pictures and amulets and stuff depicting the conquests of Alexander the Great. So, you know, all the things that he accomplished during here. But yeah, we're 1 hour outside of Islamabad.
It's mad, isn't it?
And we've got an ancient Greek temple here. So I heard there was stuff like this, but I didn't realise it would be here in the middle of a village. So let's have a look around. Yeah.
We have made it to Taxilla Museum. It was guarded by police before, but now it seems like they're letting people in. But first up, funny.
So we're at Taxilla Museum right now, which was founded in 1926 after they found remnants of some ancient civilizations here dating back to the Persian era right through to the Greek conquest of the Indus Valley. We'll hopefully see quite a lot of history here. Oh, by the way, there's also some Buddhist remains here. So this is where on the route to China, Buddhists settled here as well. I read about that before. So there's quite a lot of history around here.
Yeah, so let's go, guys.
So this is telling the story, life story of Buddha, and when he was born right through to when he was a prince. So if you look at here, he's depicted as a prince. He's got jewelry on, he's got a crown on, he's got like a Greek robe on. But then, you know, as his life went by, he got enlightenment. He started living a more simple life. He focused on religion, and you can see as the statues go by, you can see he's basically getting more and more simpler in the way he lives his life. So no jewelry, no crown, just a simple robe. That's when he started to live a more simpler life, teach Buddhism and how to be at peace with what you have.
पुराने यहाँ पे 3 शहर मिले हैं इनके। सबसे जो पुराना शहर था ब्रिड माउंट, ये म्यूजियम के राइट पे मौजूद है, इसका नाम लिखा हुआ है। इसमें पर्शियन लोग रहे हैं 6th century BC to 2nd century बिफोर क्राइस्ट तक।
अच्छा।
इसी शहर में अलेक्जेंडर भी आए थे 326 BC में।
अच्छा।
अलेक्जेंडर के साथ जो ग्रीक आए थे, उन्होंने सिरकप सिटी एस्टेब्लिश किया था। यहाँ पे वो लोग 2nd century BC to 2nd century AD तक रहे हैं.
Okay, peoples, so it's coming up to the evening now. We're just on our way back from Taxilla into Islamabad, and our lovely, very friendly, amazing driver has recommended a place for us to eat called Karahi. Interesting concept there is they slaughter the animal as per the order, so we're probably going to have some chicken. So apparently they slaughter the animal, make it there fresh, so it's like the freshest you could probably get. Hello, chicken. Very.
So our driver done it again for the second time today. Thanks, driver.
Best karahi ever. Really, very delicious. We just went outside to have a look at what's going on, and it's basically a landslide, right? You could hear the big, massive rocks falling from the mountains, hitting the road and then rolling down the hill as well. We're basically thinking about what to do, because you can't go here at night because you can't see anything. Given that this is a safe area, just kind of park up and sleep here.
We've got pizza, fruit in the bag, saving grace.